Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making the Mexican El Diablo, this time with proper creme de cassis and my new favorite spicy ginger beer. Rounding out the rest of the ingredients, we have blanco tequila, put in the Mexican and Mexican El Diablo, freshly squeezed lime juice, a good spicy ginger beer, and delicious creme de cassis. So squeeze some limes, gather all of your ingredients, and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, and go-to jigger. Measure a half ounce of lime juice, one and a half ounces of blanco tequila, add ice and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Set to the side and get a fizz or Collins glass and fill it with ice. Open your ginger beer and add 1 to 2 ounces. Then strain your shaker mix into your glass. Top up with more ginger beer. Bring back your jigger, measure a half ounce of creme de cassis. Pour it on top and watch the magic. You can use the back of a spoon or a spent lime shell, but this is less work and equally entertaining. And there you have the Mexican El Diablo. Now let's give it a taste. It's bright and tart from the lime juice, there's salty agave from the tequila, pick your favorite, spiciness that kicks the back of your throat and cuts through the sweet, syrupy flavor of the black currant from the creme de cassis. Absolutely delicious. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have a go-to ginger beer recipe, let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.